Hey guys, a very warm welcome back to a brand new video of ours where today we're going to be talking about a very controversial as well as an interesting topic which is very popular among youngsters, which happens to be whether or not smoking up or smoking weed is actually helpful in your weight loss journey or not. And being an illegal substance, why you should not be relying on weed just to lose weight. Beyond this, we'll also try to understand the science behind why this phenomenon happens and why there has to be that one friend in your group who swears that he or she has lost weight just by smoking up, and whether or not you should be like them or not. Without any further delay, let's dive down straight into the nuances of this very interesting topic.
Smoke weed every day.
The topic in question is only for educational purposes and is not intended to guide or suggest anyone any sort of illegal substances. The use of drugs and other similarly illegal substances is strictly forbidden and frowned upon within the premises of FitFit and beyond. Using such substances is also forbidden by the Indian law and is a punishable offence.
So let's first understand and look at a study back in 2011 which was done on close to 50,000 participants using different aspects generated from NESA, which happens to be epidemiologic database collected by the US government, and also NSCR, which happens to be another database which measures different effects of illegal drugs as well as legal drugs. And according to this data, it was paradoxically found out that people who smoke marijuana on a regular basis, which means at least 3 times or more than 3 times a week, they're 40% less likely to be obese than their counterparts. So this surprising study led to a massive flow and flood of information among the general public that smoking weed helps you lose weight. Now let's understand the science behind how this works. So many of you know, and for those of you who don't, marijuana mainly consists of cannabinoids, and the component we are going to be talking about today is known as THC or tetrahydrocannabinol. So what this THC does is this binds to the CB1 receptors that are there in our brain and nerves, and this binding helps us increase our appetite that all of us get after smoking a good joint. How can something that helps us increase our appetite helps us reduce weight? The hypothetical logic behind this factor is that after quite a significant amount of intake of weed, your body kind of develops a significant tolerance for it, wherein there is a lot of THC floating in and around and binding already to the CB1 receptors, which inhibits the other more powerful cannabinoids that our body makes, like the AG2, to bind with the CB1 receptors. What this does is this desensitizes the main receptor which is responsible for putting out the ghrelin hormone, which increases the appetite. In the bigger picture, it kind of reduces our appetite because the CB1 receptors are less sensitive. So having got THC out of the way, the other cannabinoid that we can look into is the CBD, or known as the cannabidiol. So this cannabidiol acts as an antagonist for both the CB1 as well as the CB2 receptors. The CB2 receptors, when induced, acts as a mechanism to deregulate or downregulate the appetite that is there. So CBD acts kind of outright as a cannabinoid that inhibits our appetite, whereas THC theoretically increases our appetite initially. In the bigger picture, might actually reduce your appetite to some extent. But again, like I said, this happens after quite some time, and this does not definitely happen outright. And if you're someone who has the munchies and if you go outright and eat food, a calorie will be a calorie and it will be acting in your body kind of the very same way. And even if there is any sort of metabolism boost by using weed, which has not been proven yet, it will not ensure that you will lose weight. You can only lose it if you are controlling your food intake along with this. Now, having said that, you guys would think that weed has to be an amazing thing because firstly it has 0 calories, unlike other uses like alcohol, and many claim that it's not addictive, although I'm not sure about it and there has not been any conclusion to this yet. And the biggest and most important of all,
रुको जरा सबर करो.
it's illegal, guys, so stay away from it. Don't get yourself involved giving everything that's been happening in Bollywood and around you. I would strictly suggest against it. There are much better ways to losing your weight than smoking weed. And the most important part is that all these studies that I've mentioned, the biggest drawback or the biggest flaw of all these studies are these mostly aren't done on human beings. Because of the illegal nature of weed, most human trials and human studies have been limited to a very small number of participants, that also in countries where this is legally allowed. We do not yet have conclusive enough evidence to tie the same effects that cannabinoids have on mice and rats with human beings as well. Does weed help you in losing weight? Yes and no, because theoretically it might, but that's about it, theoretically and not practical. And if you take a few steps back, and if you look at things in a very critical way, you'll understand that why this little help in reducing your appetite is practically of a very, very useless nature.
Smoke weed every day.
Because if you're not someone who has a proper plan in place, if you're not someone who's working out, if you're not someone who's conscious about your diet, and you're only concerned about smoking weed and just chilling out, trust me, you are already setting yourself up for failure. So get up there, put your blunt away at the side, join a gym, work out, get your nutrition right, and you'll be good to go, and you'll be much better off with your weight loss journey. So having said that, guys, I really hope that this video was informative and helped you out in some sort of way. And if it did, don't forget to share it with your friends, but for educational purposes and nothing else. So having said that, guys, this is your coach Promit Shom signing off for the week. See you all again next week with another cool video.